Are you having trouble booking hostels and hotels and planning your trip on a budget? If so, you're in the right place. I'm going to guide you through 5 tips to save your money while traveling, coming up. Hello, I'm Christopher C. Odom, your guide to your big trip to Japan. I'm on a mission to help 10,000 people plan your adventurous, meaningful trip to Japan, enjoy the journey of a lifetime, and thrive as a seasoned world traveler. So if you're new here, subscribe to Big Trip to Japan. Today's 5 tips to save your money while booking hostels and hotels and planning your trip on a budget are brought to you by your RV lifestyle. Number 1, get the best hotel room deals. Getting the best deal on a hotel room requires patience, flexibility, and research. There are numerous strategies and tricks to booking the best room at the best price. For instance, many people are unaware that by booking just 24 to 48 hours in advance may yield the lowest rate because this is within the hotel's cancellation time frame. Also, using an email alert from a website that tracks hotel price drops will also make you aware of when a hotel is at its best price. Checking in at the end of the business day and requesting a corner room can also optimize your chances of getting a room upgrade at the same price. Number 2, make friends and use hostels. If you're traveling alone, sometimes going solo can get lonely. Hostels offer low-cost private and dormitory-style rooms. The quality will vary from country to country and will not be of resort-level quality. However, many travelers only use their room for sleeping as they are traveling to see the country or the world. Hostels, or guest houses as they are called in Japan, all have communal areas where it is customary to meet fellow travelers. Depending on the country, some hostels do not take travelers over the age of 50, but there are various websites and apps available for solo travelers to meet other solo travelers in their destination cities. Number 3, try house sitting or pet sitting. You can also be flexible about when you want to travel and where you want to stay. Consider house sitting or pet sitting. There are websites available that will allow you to search for house and pet sitting opportunities. These opportunities usually exist in the suburbs, but if you have a car or are in a major city with awesome public transportation like Tokyo, you can get a house or apartment for your stay with little to no cost at all. Number 4, check for holidays. Cross-reference your dates of travel with public holidays. Whether traveling foreign or domestic, various national and religious holidays can impact your travel plans. During the holidays, hotel prices could increase and rooms may book up fast. And some countries' religious holidays might impede your ability to buy alcohol. Conversely, visiting a foreign country during a holiday can be a culturally enriching experience that adds something magical to your trip. During my last cruise to the Bahamas, we visited during their version of Labor Day, and while stepping off the boat and venturing into the city, we found ourselves caught amidst the liveliest of celebrations. Number 5, research on blogs and social media. By simply inputting your travel destination into the Google search bar, you will likely come across a bevy of websites, restaurants, and hotels on your first page of search results, such as bigtriptojapan.com. Bloggers and bloggers with more intimate followings are much more likely to provide in-depth, accurate, and personal accounts of what it is like to travel to a given destination. Social media also offers a golden opportunity to uncover hidden gems. Scrolling through hashtags and photos on Instagram may reveal attractive sites and awesome restaurants otherwise absent on corporate websites. Question of the day: what budget-saving travel tips do you have of your own? Post your responses in the comments section below. Discover the 50 best travel tips from 10 years of travel at your RV lifestyle above or in the links in the description below. Watch another great video about planning your trip on a budget here or in the description below. Watch another awesome video about Big Trip to Japan here. Now is the time to be something greater.